There comes a moment in every young person's life when they look at themselves in the mirror and feel the weight of their own choices. Not the choices they proudly post online, not the achievements others applaud, but the small, invisible, private choices. The ones made at 1 a.m. while scrolling. The ones made when Netflix feels easier than studying. The ones made when you choose comfort over growth. Deep down, you know these choices shape your future more than anything else. And yet, breaking bad habits feels impossible. Building good ones feels tiring. But here's the truth. Your habits are not just actions. They are votes for the person you are becoming. By the end of this video, you won't just be motivated. You will be transformed. So watch till the end. Because somewhere in these next few minutes is the line, the idea, or the strategy that will change everything for you. Take a deep breath. Your new life begins now. Chapter 1. The habit loop. Why you do what you do. Most people think they have bad habits because they lack discipline. But the truth? You don't have bad habits because you're weak. You have bad habits because your environment is designed for them. Every habit, good or bad, follows the same psychological loop. Cue, craving, action, reward. Let's break this down in the most relatable way. Cue, you wake up, you see your phone. That visual cue triggers your brain. Craving, you crave stimulation. Dopamine, a tiny hit of excitement. Action, you check notifications. Instagram Reels, TikTok, Snapchat, YouTube. Reward, your brain gets dopamine. You feel entertained, distracted, relieved. The loop completes, and your brain says, this felt good. Let's do it again. This is why you repeat habits automatically, not because you choose them, but because your brain has been trained to run on autopilot. Atomic Habits Principle. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. Right now, your system is built for distraction. So even if you're motivated, you get pulled back. But here's the important part. If habits are created by cues, cravings, actions, and rewards, you can break them the same way. And you can build new ones using the exact same system. Chapter 2. The destruction of bad habits. Breaking a bad habit is not about destroying your willpower, it's about destroying the loop that keeps the habit alive. To break a bad habit, you must make it invisible, unattractive, difficult, unrewarding. Let's break down each of these with real examples for students. Make it invisible, remove the cue. You can't eat junk food if it's not in your room. You can't waste time on your phone if it's not in your hand. Environment beats motivation, every time. Examples. Put your phone in another room while studying. Log out of distracting apps so they require effort to enter. Keep your study table empty and minimalistic. When you remove the cue, the habit has nothing to trigger it. Make it unattractive. Rewire the craving. Bad habits survive because you associate them with pleasure. You must reverse it. Every time you feel like scrolling, tell yourself, this is stealing my future. Every time you feel like skipping your routine, tell yourself, this is the moment where average people are created. Create disgust for the habit. This is not toxic. It is strategic. Your brain stops craving what it has emotionally linked to pain. Make it difficult. Increase friction. A habit dies when it becomes harder to repeat. Examples. Uninstall apps you waste time on. Keep snacks in the kitchen instead of your room. The more steps between you and the bad habit, the faster it dies. Make it unrewarding. Kill the dopamine spike. Most bad habits stay alive because they feel good immediately. To break them, attach negative consequences. Examples. Track how much time you waste. Seeing the number hurts. Tell a friend your goals. The pressure is a consequence. Fine yourself 100 rupees or $1 every time you break a rule. No phone until your task is done. When a habit stops rewarding you, your brain loses interest. Chapter 3. The art of building good habits. Bad habits fade by making them hard. Good habits grow by making them easy. This is where the real transformation begins. According to Atomic Habits, to build a good habit, you must make it obvious, attractive, easy, rewarding. Let's break this down with practical, real-life strategies. Make it obvious. Show the cue. You need visual reminders. Examples. Keep your books open on your desk. Place your running shoes next to your bed. Put a water bottle on your table. Leave your gym clothes out the night before. When the cue is visible, the habit becomes automatic. Make it attractive. Enhance the craving. Your brain will follow what feels exciting. So pair your new habit with something pleasurable. Examples. Listen to good music only while working out. Drink your favorite tea only during study sessions. Use a premium notebook only for planning your life. Study with a friend you enjoy being around. Make the habit feel like a reward. Make it easy. Reduce friction. The biggest mistake people make, trying to change everything overnight. The real strategy is the opposite. Lower the bar. Make the habit so easy you can't fail. Examples. Read 1 page a day. Meditate for 2 minutes. Study for 10 minutes. Do 5 push-ups. Small is not weak. Small is sustainable. Small becomes unstoppable. This is what James Clear calls the 2-minute rule. Make it rewarding. Close the loop. Your brain needs a dopamine hit to repeat the habit. Practical rewards. Check off habits on a tracker. Celebrate progress. Share your progress online. Allow yourself something enjoyable after finishing the task. When the habit feels rewarding, the loop locks in. Chapter 4. Identity. The secret ingredient to habit change. This is the chapter that separates average people from extraordinary ones. Most people try to change habits by changing their actions, but the real transformation happens when you change your identity. Not, I want to stop procrastinating, but I am the type of person who respects my own future. Not, I want to study more, but I am a disciplined student. Not, I want to wake up early, but I am someone who values my time. Identity drives behavior. When your identity changes, your habits follow automatically. Identity shift formula. Decide the type of person you want to be. Prove it with small wins. Repeat until it becomes your natural behavior. Example. If you want to be a healthy person, your first win is drinking 1 glass of water every morning. If you want to be a focused student, your first win is studying for 10 minutes without distractions. Identity is the root. Habits are the branches. Change the root, and the tree grows differently. Chapter 5. The truth about motivation versus systems. Motivation is a feeling. Systems are structures. Most students rely on motivation. That's why they fail. You don't need discipline every day. You need a system that makes discipline the default. Build a system that does the work for you. Time blocking. Divide your day into clear blocks. Study, break, lunch, gym, evening work. Your brain loves structure. Environment design. If your room is messy, your mind becomes messy. If your desk is clean, your mind becomes sharp. Habit stacking. Attach a new habit to an existing habit. Examples. After brushing, meditate for 2 minutes. After breakfast, study for 10 minutes. After reaching home, read for 5 minutes. Your brain loves patterns. Accountability. Tell a friend your goals. It builds pressure. We work harder when people are watching. Chapter 6. How to make habits last forever. Anyone can start. Few can continue. Almost no one can stay consistent for years. But that's your advantage, because now you will understand what others never learn. Here are some real strategies to stay consistent. Don't aim for perfection. Aim for consistency. Missing 1 day is normal. Missing 2 days is dangerous. Missing 3 days is a new habit. So protect the streak. Track your progress. Habit trackers are powerful because they show you a visual reward. When you see a chain of wins, you don't want to break it. Use the never zero rule. Even on your worst days, do a tiny version of the habit. 1 page reading, 1 push-up, 1 minute meditation. Never let the habit fully die. Regular reset days. Every Sunday reset. Clean your room, review your goals, organize your desk, plan your week. This creates mental clarity. Reflect monthly. Ask yourself, what worked this month? What ruined my routine? What can I improve? Reflection creates awareness. Awareness creates change. Chapter 7. The final shift. If there is one message you must take away from this video, it is this. You do not become disciplined overnight. You become disciplined through daily evidence. Every small win, every tiny action, every choice you make, they are all votes cast for your future self. People look at successful student and say, he is gifted, he is lucky, he is born different. No, they are built different. Always built, never born. And starting today, you are beginning to build yourself. Your habits will not change in 1 day, but one day you will look back and realize your habits changed your life. Remember, destroy the cues of bad habits, design cues for good habits, lower the barrier, but build the identity, track your growth, protect your consistency, trust the process, small steps, big results, atomic changes, massive transformation. The final message. If you're still watching, understand this. You are not ordinary. Ordinary people don't watch videos like this till the end. Extraordinary people do. Your journey of discipline starts now. If this video helped you, share it with someone who needs it. You might change their life too. And if you want more powerful videos like this, subscribe to the channel. Your discipline journey is just beginning. Welcome to your new life. Welcome to the version of you that wins every single day.